Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can transfer the tickets of FIFA World Cup. So first of all, launch your browser and simply type in transfer your ticket. Then you will see this ticket transfer by FIFA.com itself. You're going to have to select the link. And as you do that, you will get to a page like this. Now this is an article by FIFA itself. It will help you how to transfer the tickets. So for that, it says visit this FIFA.com/tickets. If you click onto it, you will get to a page exactly like this. In here, you will see Marketplace, and you will also see Sell Exchange Now. So as you do that, you will get landed onto a page where you will be required to simply log into your FIFA account. Now, make sure that you type in your credentials correctly and then simply sign in. Now, once you have signed in, it says after signing in, you will see this resell or exchange from the menu on your top page. Then select View My Tickets, and all you have to do is select Transfer Tickets. If you would like to find this article, it is by FIFA as well. All you have to do is go for FIFA World Cup and search for this exact title. But once you log into your account, you will know what to do because you're going to have to follow the on-screen prompt if you would like to sell or exchange tickets. This is how it's done, guys. Thank you for watching.